Hello, everyone. What you're about to hear comes from years of hands on experience working directly with customers and solving real world problems in our repair shop. Error H27 appears when the Panasonic dishwasher detects a problem with the drain valve or the system responsible for draining the water. Simply put, the dishwasher tries to pump the water out, but it detects that something isn't working properly and stops the cycle to protect the system. At our shop, we often hear customers say things like the wash cycle is almost finished and then H27 appears, or when I open the door, there's still water sitting in the bottom. The first thing we explain is that this code doesn't always mean the drain valve is defective. In many cases, the real issue is a blockage that's preventing the water from draining normally. The first things we usually inspect are the filter, the drain hose, and the drain pump. Food particles, grease, or small objects can block the water flow and cause the system to detect a drainage problem. As one of our technicians likes to say, if the water can't drain freely, the dishwasher assumes something is wrong with the drainage system. If all of those components are clean, the next step is checking the drain valve and its electrical connections. Some customers tell us the error appeared after several years of use or after the dishwasher had been sitting unused for a long time. In those cases, the drain valve may become stuck or develop internal wear. According to Panasonic, H27 is related to abnormal operation of the drainage system. The company recommends inspecting the drain valve, drain pump, wiring, and checking for any blockages before replacing any components. At this time, there is no known widespread manufacturing defect associated with this error code.